Welcome! If you want to create alarms and timers in your Amazon Echo Studio speaker, at first you have to open Devices tab in your Amazon Alexa application, select your speaker, and then when you are on this screen, just select to add alarm. You can also switch between alarm and timers, and honestly it looks identical, so you have to tap on the plus, and right here we can pick the exact time. You can pick the device, so we can go for the Amazon Echo speaker or on this tablet. So in the smartphone we can set the repeat, date, and also we can pick the sound. You have to click save to confirm. We are also able to change the sound. And the same for the timers. You can adjust volume level, and here sound timer. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.